Pretend picture.
So today is day 2 at the Grampians. This is the giant koala. It's looking a little bit seedy up there. But we've had no internet for the last day since there's absolutely nothing where we're staying. We also got absolutely burnt to a crisp yesterday. Didn't realise until we were in bed. And our skin was about 15,000 degrees, so definitely wearing sunscreen today. Hike number 1. It is looking super sick here. Go on, big dog, you can do it. Hopefully there's no snakes up here. Jasmine, do you reckon there's going to be snakes up here? Yeah, me too. Oh my god. I think go to the left, Jasmine. Yeah, walk along that ridge. That was my phone, just fell out of my pocket. But look at this. So the scrambling's a little bit more intense than we thought, once again. But Jasmine's making it up.
My mum would actually cry if she was here.
So we made it to the summit. How'd you go, Jasmine?
Fine.
It wasn't too bad. A bit slow.
Fresh. I can't help my slowness.
It is super chilly up here though, so we won't be here for long, but the view is sick. Look at that. We made it up the mountain. We're the only ones in the cave here, it's so sick. Jasmine completely ran into the top of the cave. It kind of looked painful.
It really hurt.
Yes, day 2 of the Grampians off to a successful start, I'd
2
say.
injuries in 2 days.
So this is like a little side track. Check out this hollow cave behind me here. So sick. I don't think it's even marked, but look. Come down this like this kind of canyon looking thing. So I managed to find my way in a different cave. Pretty cool. It goes all the way through the back there. I have to lay down and slide through, but I don't fancy waking up some kind of animal while I'm in here by myself. We survived lunchtime. We are getting ready to do our second hike up to the pinnacles through the Australian Grand Canyon, they call it. Last time we did this, we got absolutely baked in the sun, but it's about 17 degrees today. So yeah, last time we brought no water and it was about 43. So this should be super easy. Alright, we're zooming through here. Looks like the track is going back down. We're going to go around and then back up the fun part. The fun part's like the rocky stuff. So there was about 13 billion people up the top there. The ambience was not great.
Screaming children.
Yeah, lots of things happening. And since we have done this before, and this is not a good route, we're, not really rating this walk. A bit run down as well from our last few days, but we are almost back already. Nice easy trail. The takeaway from this is do not try midday hikes during a public holiday. Back at the car park, mission success. So this is our final hike that we have planned to Mackenzie Falls. Super short, about 500 meters, and it's about 1,000 steps. Last time I did this, Jasmine had a heap of problems and we both feel absolutely wrecked from the last 2 days. So I'm very interested to see how this goes.